Founded in 1969 and home to the Lakers. Not that one. Welcome to another episode of Rolling with Nick Campus Tours. Today I'm taking you all to Morrow, Georgia, which isn't too far at all from Atlanta, Georgia. Atlanta, where else? Maybe there's an Atlanta somewhere.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Anyways, y'all, today we are at Clayton State University. Now, this is a smaller campus with approximately about 5,200 students. We're gonna go around this campus, see what it has to offer, and see if it may be a fit just for you. Now, before we start, I want y'all to do me a huge favor. I'm producing this content for y'all, so y'all, it literally takes nothing. Just please give me a like because it truly helps my channel. Leave a comment. I love this video. Where do you want me to see? Where do you want to see me go next? This lawnmower is gonna piss me off, but I'm gonna keep going because it's got some good light over here. Subscribe if you like this video, share, turn on post notifications so you miss any of the latest content. And y'all, we're not gonna waste any time, so let's go ahead and let's get rolling. All right, y'all, so making our first stop today is going to be the SAC, which is the Student Activity Center. So this is where you're gonna have the Lakers Lounge, gaming room, the Recreation Center, which is the gym, basketball. Yeah, y'all, so let's go ahead. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. All right, y'all, so as y'all can see, we are in the gymnasium, home of the Lakers. This is where they play their men's and women's home basketball games, and they have some accolades across the walls, so yeah. All right, y'all, so we are inside of the University Center, which is home to the library. It has 4 different floors. It has the mathematics department in there. Get that out of the camera. We have Grindhouse coffee. We have a athletic, I think it's the Loch Ness Lock or something like that, but 4 different levels. Yeah, so let's go ahead and let me show y'all what I'm talking about. Y'all can't tell me out here ain't beautiful. You cannot tell me out here is not beautiful, bro. You cannot tell me out here is not beautiful. And one thing I love about this campus, y'all, since it's not huge, it's so easy to maneuver. Like, you know, this building is here, they're next to each other. And honestly, I like that. It's literally like a college community. I love it. Yo, one thing I love about this campus, if I ain't say it already, it's surrounded by water. Literally so relaxing, so calming. But because we're surrounded by water, there are a lot of ducks around here, which means there's a lot of poop. So you just gotta watch where you're walking, because it's a lot of Alright y'all, so I am in the study room in the library. So they do have reservation policies and whatnot, stuff like that. But it's summer, nobody's here. But yeah, y'all, so you can reserve this room in the library. You know, it's very crucial when you have exams also, or if you just want to chill in the library, I guess. But yeah, y'all, so we are in the study room in the library. Well, y'all, that wraps up our episode here at Clayton State University. Like I said, one of the smaller campuses, which is actually very convenient for me because sometimes these huge campuses, walking around them, gets a little weary on the body, child. But y'all, I want to thank y'all so much for tuning into yet another episode. I hope that this video was able to help you see if this may be a fit just for you. So y'all, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share, turn on post notifications so you'll miss any of the latest content. We have a great rest of the season ahead. Super excited for the colleges we're going to be going to. But y'all, like I said, as I always wrap up, please stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed. Tell someone that you love them, and I will see you all later.